Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds with HSBC, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your HSBC banking app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the transfers section on the dashboard. Select the type of transfer you want to make. Choose between transferring to another HSBC account or an external bank account. If transferring to another HSBC account, enter the recipient's details. Input the account number and the sort code if needed. For external bank account transfers, enter the recipient's bank details including their account number. Select the amount you wish to transfer. Review any transfer fees that may apply. Choose the transfer date, either immediately or scheduled for a future date. Confirm the transaction details to ensure accuracy. Follow any additional security prompts, such as entering a verification code. Submit the transfer request once everything is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation notification of your transfer. Check your transaction history to ensure the transfer has been processed. If you encounter any issues, contact HSBC customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.